Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can figure out when your Temu order is going to be arriving. So let's get right into it. Now, to know when your Temu order is going to arrive to your door, you need to figure out the tracking information, and you can very easily do that through your orders screen. The process steps differ from the mobile and the web version. I'll be showing you the web version. However, it's very easy to do that on the mobile version as well. On the mobile version, you just need to click on the bottom button which says you. It has a silhouette of a person. Just click on that, and then you click on your orders, and that should be it. Now, on the web version, you just need to go into orders and account. You can either click this button or go directly into your orders. If you click the button, it'll just take you to the screen anyway, and here you'll see all your orders. Now, to see when it's going to arrive, if it's processing, I'm pretty sure you can't see the shipping details yet. However, if you go to shipped, you will see which of your orders has been shipped and is currently in the process of arriving to your door. And once you get to this screen, you just need to select the order that you want, and at the right hand side of the screen you will have a button that says track. You just want to click on that, and then that'll give you some information. It'll give you the tracking number, the delivery service that's delivering to your door, the estimated delivery time, among other things. Now, you can use that tracking number to go to the delivery services site and maybe track the order there. However, there will be an estimated delivery time on the Temu page which you're currently on, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.